And Jeremy Lin, the hero from Harvard.
And I'm sure that's why Coach Ventoni started him. Yeah, he's probably been seeing his kid work in practice, like what he saw, think that he could do it in the game.
Anthony now 3 for 14. Lin to the basket. Reverse layup. Lin gets around Jefferson, looking and backs it in. Kept his dribble. He had a couple of those the other night. Lin splits the defenders, gets inside. Lefty layup, puts it in. Sensational move from Jeremy Lin. Jeremy Lin with his second consecutive career night.
I'm just overwhelmed right now, and I'm just trying to take it all in. But I'm just thankful to this team, like I said, and the fans here. They're awesome, and so hopefully we'll be able to keep this thing going.
Well, that shot by Booker. Coming off 19 points against Toronto the other night. Chandler easily on the pick and roll. The Wizards had a tough time defending the pick and roll in Toronto. Crawford's going to have to make something happen. He does. Called a turnover. Lin the other way. Drives and scores. And Jeremy Lin did, in fact, run the show. 23 points with 10 assists. A sellout crowd at Madison Square Garden. And many to see the Cinderella story of Jeremy Lin, who has captivated the fans here at the world's most famous arena.
This is what I like. I like this.
Lin picks it up. Lin drives in and lays it in.
That was excellent defense.
Lin on the drive, gets inside, banks it in. Wow!
How about that? How about that? He did not want a screen. He wanted to take his man, come up on the other side of the rim.
This is it right here. This is it right here. This is my dream, and I'm just thankful to God, man, because this is my dream being lived out, and I'm so thankful for that.
So Williams is taken by Lin. Then a whirling dervish right to the rim, zigzagging to the cup. Lin is 8 of 24. Can he be the hero now?
Here comes Lin. Right down Broadway, contact, and he will shoot free throws. 4.9 on the clock. It's a 1-point Knick lead, and Rick Adelman will call for time.
There's Love.
Love on a turnaround air ball, and the Knicks have stolen one here in Minneapolis.
You know, we saw Jeremy Lin. He's been the big story this week. How fatigued is he?
He's still the sensation. He's unbelievable. He played great tonight. You could tell how tired he was. He still was finding guys, and I mean, it's his second year. He's only played a few games, and he played great.
Welcome to Toronto tonight. The New York Knicks and the Jeremy Lin Show arrive at the Air Canada Center. Tied at 87. 5, 4. Lin for the win. Got it. 12 of his